Assalamualaikum. I am Shan. I will tell you about the use of should in the past. Okay, should is the past form of shall. Usually we use should in the past as I should have.
I have it.
For example, I should have gone with you. मुझे आपके साथ जाना चाहिए था.
Good.
Okay. I should have studied more for my test. मुझे अपने टेस्ट के लिए ज़्यादा स्टडी करनी चाहिए थी. Okay. Two more uses of should as we should have done something means you did not do it, but it would have been a good thing to do. For example, you missed a great party last night. You should have come. Why didn't you? It means that last night एक बहुत अच्छी पार्टी थी, आप आए नहीं. You should have come. आपको आना चाहिए था. Okay. And in the same way, you should have done something. You did it, but it wasn't good thing to do. For instance, I am feeling sick. I shouldn't have eaten so much. मुझे अब ठीक नहीं फील हो रहा. I shouldn't have eaten so much. It means that
I shouldn't
eaten.
eaten so
Sorry. Third form of word by इसके साथ I shouldn't have eaten so much. मुझे इतना ज़्यादा नहीं खाना चाहिए. Okay, clear about
This
it?
is very clear. Thank you very much.
Any question?
No, Rich. Thank you. Good job.